We are here today looking at a startup farm. This farm have some lovely native animals here and a Nubian ram. And these animals are being fed mainly on bush. If you look around, you see how much bush Guinean weed is very prevalent around here. And look at the condition of these animals, how beautiful they look. Really nice, naturally fed, lovely herd. And they have no shelter right now. They just live under the trees like this, and look at their condition, how good they look. Very beautiful. So, it's a friend of mine, Luke, that has started up in goat farm.
Hi, how you doing?
And you know, him is a horseman, you know.
Yeah.
So we just went to ride horse.
Yes.
Stand to be corrected. Horse. So him start him little goat farm here
Right.
in the bushes. Won't tell you where in the bushes, but him in some bush here with these animals. And this is the way to make money, though, you know, Luke.
Right, to start with the
and also when you can feed the animals on bush, and you don't have any high input cost. Very low cost, low maintenance. Water, bush, goats, having kids, production. And usually if you look at how healthy these animals
their
look,
coats are shining.
the coats are shiny. Look how them coats shiny. Some of them look pregnant. That brown one there look pregnant.
Yeah, for sure. She's breeding, and then these four here are the four youngest. They've never had kids before.
Right.
And then these ones, I think they have all had their a first set of kids, or however. There's a couple older goats in there, you know, but it's just to see what they start to produce now and get some more females and then cull what needs to be culled, right?
All right, that is great. Man. So this is a great look, and this is one of the things that I've been talking about. The KIKO goat. KIKO goat will do well in an environment like this.
Especially we have the mountains.
You have the mountains, yes,
go and eat
down the mountain. The feeding here can't be finished. You can't finish it. Can't done it.
Yeah.
All right.
Very low cost.
Thanks for inviting to my farm.
Yeah, man.
And me and the children here today. Long time everybody don't see us. Later. Yes, we are here.
Some horse riding.
They did some horse riding today, and we're always all over the place just the same, you know. But you can see how them getting big now. All right. So Luke took them for a ride today.
Yes.
All right. Big up. So we're going to be visiting this farm sometimes down, and we're going to see how big Luke will get.
Right.
Bush farm. Bush goat farming.
Right.
All right. Big up. Thanks.
Right. This is a whole area where they come.
So they have access to the pastures over there.
So, well, it's one pasture that they just go to. And this here, obviously lock here. And if I want to keep them in the whole area, I lock this and keep them. And then this funnel them straight, and you have the fence that
and they go right around and circle.
It connects back to this. Okay. So it's just the bush, and for them go eat down the bush and forage as they please, you know, and come and go as they please.
What about dog though? You're not worried about dog?
Them can't get through the wire really. And we don't have any wild dogs around here because I have a set of 9 dogs. Okay. So any dog come here.
Right, you have dog within the pasture.
Yeah, they get trouble.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
No, they have trouble if a dog comes around here. So not worried about that.
And nobody can come around. No 2-foot thief can come around.
No, I have people living eyes everywhere.
Yes. So that can be. But this is lovely though, and you can see as you go along. You see they've been working on some of the plants. Then. As you go around, you see that they're eating it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. All right.
One of the biggest success for me in farming and in animals, you have to love it.
Yes.
Right? Because I see people get into farming and
getting into the boars.
Yeah, because they hear the boars especially because it's such a delicate
very
animal.
High maintenance.
And they did it because they see an opportunity, a business opportunity, but the real reason behind why you should get into it is because you love it, then it become lucrative for you after that.
Right. If you don't love it, it's not going to work.
You have to bear with it. You have to feel a joy when you look on the animal, them, you know.
Because sometimes, you know, we'll have situation, even a little maggot, or they get a cut, and you know you'll get a maggot, right? And sometimes the people you have working for you are not going to see
pick it up quickly.
You know, I mean, you see it happen all the time. Sometimes you have to trim their roof,
right?
You know. sometimes some little things, sometimes external parasite, maybe ticks or anything like that. And normally people don't catch on, but when you love the animals,
and you notice change in their behavior.
Yes.
Because if you know a goat do this every single day, do the same thing every day,
right.
act a certain way,
right.
and then him stop do it, you know that's something wrong.
And the tail is another thing that you watch for. You see when you see that tail point up like this on the goat, him good. Once you see him start to hang down that tail, yes.
Well, me learn something.
Yeah, man. When any goat you see there, you see once you see the tail standing up like that, nothing is wrong with them usually. When you see them start to hang down them tail, even if it's a heavy burden of internal parasites, you will see the tails starting to droop down. Every now and again you see them push down the tail and take it up.
When you're itching them there,
something is going on, and the tail is a telltale sign. And you know the feces too. When you see nice round balls coming out, you know that their condition is good. Two things that you know. But a very healthy herd you have here.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.